whereas here x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 24 equal to 0. X plus 8 into x minus 3 is 0. X is equal to minus 8 plus 3. Now check LHS. X is equal to plus or minus 3. Then 5 mod plus or minus 3 plus 8 is equal to 23. RHS. Root over x square minus 16 is equal to root over 9 minus 16, root over minus 7. LHS not equal to RHS. X is equal to plus or minus 8. LHS is equal to 5 mod plus or minus 8 plus 8, 48. RHS is equal to root over plus or minus 8 square minus 16. I'm sorry, there is no root. X square minus 16 plus or minus 3 square minus 16 is equal to minus 7. Plus or minus 8 square minus 16. 64 minus 16 is equal to 48. Here LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore roots are plus or minus 8. Now we have to find sum of roots. Plus 8 plus of minus 8 is equal to 0. Right? No doubt. Write down, write down. For how many integers is the number x power 4 minus 51x square plus 50 is negative? Is the number negative? That is the question. Try చేయండి. Factorize చేయడమే. It is to be factorized. X power 4 minus 51x square plus 50 less than 0. Now it is to be factorized. Factorize చేయండి. So here it is x power 4 minus 1x square minus 50x square plus 50, less than 0. So this is x square minus 1 into x square minus 50 less than 0. You know, x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0, alpha beta plus minus plus alpha less than x less than beta. This is the solution. Alpha less than x less than beta. This is the solution. So now here 1 less than x square less than 50. So perfect square between 1 to 50. Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 6, plus or minus 7. How many integers? This is negative. Total how many integers? For k for x, the number of integral solutions. See, if you will take negative here, if x is negative, x square positive, x square positive. So therefore, here number of solutions for this x square in between 1 to 50. Here integral solutions are 14. See one sub here x is equal to plus or minus 1. 1 minus 51 plus 50 equal to 0. So therefore, there are 12 solutions because it must be negative. Question number 59. Question number 58. Y plus 4 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. X plus 4 is equal to y minus 2 whole square. X not equal to y. What is x square plus y square equal to? See question number 58. If you'll add these or if you subtract this, x plus 4 minus y plus 4 is equal to y minus 2 whole square minus x minus 2 whole square. So this is x minus y is equal to, this is y minus 2 plus, once observe here, y minus 2 plus x minus 2 into y minus 2 minus x minus 2. Okay. So here x minus y is equal to, this is x plus y minus 4 into, this is y minus x. మనం క్లియర్గా ఏమి ఇచ్చారు, x నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు y. సో x minus y not equal to 0. So here it is minus 1. Okay. So x plus y minus 4 is equal to minus 1. Otherwise we will take minus 1 here. That implies x plus y is equal to 3. X plus y is equal to 3. If you add these, what we'll get here? X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to x plus y minus 8. This is plus 8, sorry. So now you can substitute x plus y is equal to 3 in that equation. Write down. X square plus y square equal to, these two transposed to RHS, 5x 5y, 5 into x plus y, 5 into here x plus y is 3. So x square plus y square is equal to 15. That's the required. 57 నోట్ చేయండి, 58 కంప్లీట్ అయిన వాళ్ళు. Okay, now see next one. Number of real x satisfying 3 power 2x plus 2 minus 3 power x plus 3 minus 3 power x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, that is the question. Simple question only. It is 3 power x whole square into 3 square minus 3 cube into 3 power x minus 3 power x plus 3 equal to 0. Let 3 power x is equal to a, 9a square minus 28a plus 3 equal to 0. 27 plus 1, 28. Okay. So 9a square minus 27a minus 1a plus 3 equal to 0. 9a is common, 1 a minus 3 minus 1 as common, a minus 3. A minus 3 equal to 0, 9a minus 1 equal to 0. A means 3 power x is equal to 3 power n, 3 power x is equal to 3 power minus 2. So x is equal to 1 comma minus 2. Number of real x 2 required. Number of real x. Chinna question. 55. G of x is equal to x power 5 plus x power 4 plus x power 3 plus x square plus x plus 1. What is the remainder when? Find the remainder when polynomial g of x power 12 divided by g of x. Remainder theorem application. G of x is given, divisor is given. G of x power 12 is equal to g of x q of x plus r. Remainder. R means r of x. So g of x power 12 minus r of x is multiple of g of x. Multiple of g of x. Okay? Check. ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు g of x is equal to ఏంటండి, x power 5 plus x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు x power 6 minus 1 is equal to ఏంటండి, x power 6 minus 1, x minus 1 into x power 5 plus x power 4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. That is equal to x minus 1 into g of x. కాబట్టి g of x is multiple of x power 6 minus 1. g of x is multiple of x power 6 minus 1. g of x into this one. X power 6 minus 1 is multiple of g of x. ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, g of x power 12, ఇందులో 12 వేయండి, x power 60 plus x power 48 plus x power 36 plus x power 24 plus x power 12 minus 1. ఇక్కడ x power 6 minus 1 ఉంటే బెటర్ కదండి. కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు g of x power 12 minus 6 తీసుకుందాం, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 4 5 6 టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి. ఓకే. సో x power 60 minus 1 plus x power 48 minus 1 plus x power 36 minus 1 plus x power 24 minus 1 plus x power 12 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. This is x power 6 minus 1 into a plus x power 6 minus 1 into b or a of x, b of x. Polynomials తీసుకుందాం. a of x plus x power 6 minus 1 into b of x plus x power 6 minus 1 into c of x plus x power 6 minus 1 into d of x plus x power 6 minus 1 into x power 6 plus 1. This is e of x, right? So this is all nothing but x power 6 minus 1 into j. But what is x power 6 minus 1 is a multiple of gx. So gx into some fx into jx into jx. కాబట్టి gx power 12 minus 6 is divisible by gx, divisible by gx. So a minus b divisible by m. So when a divided by m, what is the remainder? B. You know modulus concept. So here therefore when gx power 12 divided by gx, what is the remainder here? What is b here? 6. So the remainder is 6. It's a good question. Solve it. నోట్ చేయండి ఫాస్ట్గా. నోట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, $54. PQR roots of x cube minus x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Then what is p cube plus q cube plus r cube is what? That is the question. So in regular way we can solve it. So we know the relation between coefficients and see, this is the concept, relation between coefficients and roots. By using this concept, roots of fx is equal to x cube minus x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0 be pqr. You know, p plus q plus r is equal to minus x square coefficient by x cube coefficient, that is equal to minus of minus 1 by 1. Next, pq plus qr plus rp is equal to plus x coefficient by x square coefficient, x cube coefficient, 1 by 1 1. Okay, now pqr is equal to minus constant by x cube coefficient. You know this information, minus of minus 2 by 1 is equal to 2. Now we have to find a cube plus b cube plus c cube. You know p cube plus q cube plus r cube minus 3pqr is equal to, what is the formula? P plus q plus r into p square plus q square plus r square minus pq minus qr minus rp. This is the formula. In this, what is p plus q plus r? 1 into, this is a square plus b square plus c square, a plus b plus c whole square minus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ca. Already minus pq minus rp minus rq is there, right? This is p plus again 1 square minus 3 times this one, pq plus, this is all pq plus q cube plus r cube minus 3 into what is pqr? 2 minus 1. This is all. What we have to find? pq plus q cube plus r cube, that is equal to 1 minus 3 minus 2 plus 6. This is 4. But in other way also we can solve this, that we'll discuss later. In other way also we can solve this. Question number 53. Let the values of x is such 8xy minus 12y plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 is true for all y. Then 16x is equal to what? 16x is equal to what? What is the question? Make it fast. Right? So from these two, what we can take out? 4y as common, 2x minus 3 plus 1 as common, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 4y plus 1 into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. For all y, 2x minus 3 equal to 0, then x is equal to 3 by 2. So what we have to find? 16x, 16 into 3 by 2, 24 be the required. Okay. Okay. Now see question number 48. If root a minus root b is equal to 20, a, b are real, a comma b belongs to R, find the maximum possible value of, find the maximum possible value of a minus 5b by 10. That we have to find maximum possible value. So root a is equal to 20 plus root b, or root b is equal to root a minus 20. Okay. Now simplify here, squaring on both sides. B is equal to a plus 400 minus 2 into 20 root a. 2 into 20 root a. So B is equal to 400 plus a minus 40 into root a. What is root a? Root a is 20 plus b, root b. Root a is 20 plus root b. Root a is 20 plus root b. Better a minus 5b kada. A తీసుకోండి. Root a is equal to 20 plus root b. So a is equal to, squaring on both sides, a is equal to 20 square, 400 plus b plus 2 into 20 root b, a plus b whole square. So what we have to find, a minus 5b is equal to 400 plus b minus 5b plus 40 into root b. What is root b here? Root a minus 20. Root a minus 20. So a minus 5b is equal to 400 plus minus 4b plus minus 80 plus 40 root a. Okay, Nandi? Hmm. Hmm. 400 minus 4b plus 40 root b. Antena? Okay. 400 minus 4 as common, b square minus 2 into root b into, sorry, root b whole square minus 2 into root b into 5 plus 5 square minus 5 square. this part is to be converted into this one. Then what we'll get here? 400. See, minus 4 into minus 25 plus 100 minus 4 into root b minus 5 whole square. A minus 5b. ఇక్కడ ఏం అడిగాడు మనకి? మాక్సిమం పాసిబుల్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ అడిగాడు. కాబట్టి చూడండి, a మైనస్ 5b maximum is equal to 400 plus 500, 100, 500 if it is 0. If it is 0. Understood? ఒకవేళ 0 కాలేదనుకోండి, always negative, because minus into plus negative. So 500 minus negative less than 500. So maximum value 500. This is the concept from minimum maximum value. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to fx. So f maximum is 4ac minus b square by 4a if a less than 0 at x is equal to minus b by 2a. This is the concept. Right? కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు ఏమడిగాడు మనకి? a minus 5b by 10 maximum కావాలి మనకు. is equal to 50. Yes. Change. See question number 49. (169 into 157 minus 77x whole square plus 100 into 201 minus 100x whole square is equal to 26 into 77x minus 157 into 1000x minus 201 2010. Find x. Question adi. Okay. ఏముంది సార్ మామూలే. వీడు 13 స్క్వేర్, వీడు 10 స్క్వేర్. సో 13 into 157 minus 77 minus కామన్ తీస్తే 77x minus 157 whole square plus 10 into 100x minus 201 whole square is equal to 2 into 13 into 10 into 77x minus 157 ఇందులో 10 కామన్ తీసాం అనుకోండి 100x minus 201. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్ ఇన్ ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ అయిపోయింది a square plus b square is equal to 2ab. So that is a equal to b, means a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal to 0, then a minus b equal to 0, then a equal to b. That's enough. So what is a? 13 into 77x minus 157 is equal to 10 into 100x minus 201. Now it is to be simplified. చేసేయండి, చిన్న క్వశ్చన్. ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి? x విలువ. వాట్ ఈజ్ x వాల్యూ? Question number 50. Better 51. ABC real. B plus C plus D by A is equal to C plus D plus A plus C plus D by B is equal to A plus B plus C, B plus D by C is equal to A plus B plus C by D is equal to R. Find the sum of all possible values of R. Find the sum of all possible values of R. Find the sum of all possible values of R. So A plus B plus C plus D is equal to, both sides will take plus 1 here, plus 1, A into R plus 1. Like A plus B plus C plus D is equal to B into R plus 1. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to C into R plus 1. A plus B plus C plus D is equal to D into R plus 1. If you add these four, A plus B plus C plus D is equal to R plus 1 as common, A plus B plus C plus D into R plus 1. Okay, both sides these two gets cancelled. R plus 1 is equal to 4, then R is equal to 3. If A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 0, then not equal to 0, then R plus 1 equal to 0, then R equal to minus 1. These two are the possible values of R. Okay, right. So now almost time is 1 hour. We will conclude the class for today, and tomorrow morning we will meet. Before that, you have to try question number 1 to 40 in exercise 1.2. Tomorrow we will start 1.3. Quadratic equations. Already concept explained earlier only. So tomorrow we'll do 1.3 exercise. Then 1.4 miscellaneous equations. 1.4 miscellaneous equations. A few questions only there. Next 1.5 all arithmetic problems based on percentages, ratio, proportion and all. 1.5. So 1.6, 1.7 surds and logarithms. 1.7, that is beautiful concept, sequence and series. I'll explain it in detail, and then this chapter will be concluded within a 5 to 6 days. Okay, right. Thank you.